Introducing DS Laboratories, the leader in cutting-edge hair research solutions. DS Laboratories' mission is to deliver superior products and solutions to help improve consumers' confidence and well-being. For over a decade, DS Laboratories has continuously pioneered development of breakthrough formulations and cutting-edge products that positively affect the lives of millions. Trusted around the world by doctors and salon professionals alike, DS Laboratories products remain the favorite choice of those serious about finding a solution to thinning hair. Available in over 25 countries, the unrivaled efficacy and results delivered by DS Laboratories' scientific innovations has earned millions of loyal users across cultures. Clinically proven Revita and Revita Core hair stimulating shampoo and conditioner, along with daily use topicals such as Spectral CSF Women's Anti-Aging Topical or Spectral DNC in Breakthrough Hair Support Topical, together constitute the very best hair care regimen one can depend on to combat compromised hair and scalp, no matter its cause. Revita and Spectral products contain powerful combinations of key ingredients and a proprietary nanosim delivery technology specifically designed to maintain scalp vitality and positively impact follicle health. Achieve the best results in a short period of time with these product lines. Product formulations are developed completely without the use of any harmful sulfates, sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth sulfate, commonly used low-cost detergents that are linked to skin irritation, drying, and hair loss due to follicle attack. No other products on the market compare. DS Laboratories is a clear leader, delivering results to its users through premium formulations and a commitment to developing the latest technology in hair research. DS Laboratories products leave users feeling confident, with amazing hair and without the negative stigma or side effects associated with other products, either over-the-counter or prescription. Get your best hair back and experience why so many people rely on DS Laboratories.